One of the world's most cutting-edge factories who are on a super high-tech mission to build an alternate future. Welcome to Mind-Blowing Facts. In this episode, we're learning about the incredible Tesla factory, an extraordinary state-of-the-art electric car manufacturing facility that's at the vanguard of a new era of motoring. Located in Fremont, California, this giant industrial machine came to life in 2010. It's a 5.3 million square foot facility. That's 500,000 square meters. Its car designs are revolutionary, and the company's mission is to bring electric cars to the masses. You can even summon these cars to your door with just your phone. Elon Musk once said, "They are building a machine that makes a machine." And of course, this is a highly challenging task for the engineers and creators that help bring the giant factory to life. Under one roof, human workers combine with hundreds of robot colleagues to turn raw materials into high-tech vehicles in just a few days. Man and some of the world's mightiest machines come together to cast, stamp, paint, and assemble component parts into 7,000 cars every week before they're put through their paces on the test track. Mass production has come so far since the world's first large-scale industrial factory, the earliest of which was the Venetian Arsenal. Constructed in 1104 and situated in Venice, Italy, it had completely reimagined the way that ships were built. For the first time, each different component of a ship was mass-produced in one place. The process reduced build time dramatically. Years later, in 1916, engineer Giacomo Matteotrucco was asked to design a bespoke factory in Turin, Italy for car company Fiat. What he came up with was truly remarkable. The Lingotto was completed in 1923 and was the largest car factory in the world at 500 meters long and 5 stories high. For the first time, all elements of building were designed to work in harmony. Once the cars had been through each of the floors to add all the different components, they would come off the production line and onto the roof. But not just any roof, a purpose-built rooftop test track. The Tesla factory has taken the Lingotto factory's principles and given them a 21st century makeover. The setting is almost unrecognizable from factories of the past. The creators wanted it to be a beautiful working environment, a place where workers could be proud of the craftsmanship. But to create a truly modern factory, the manufacturers needed technology to match. At the Tesla factory, they are integrating robots with their workers to a much greater degree than any previous factories have done. It's one of the most automated facilities on the planet. The engineers solved a tough logistics problem within the factory when they created the smart carts. They are robots that go around the factory running on magnetic strips. These automated guided vehicles can spot people or objects in their way and will wait until the path is clear before they move on. They put themselves out of the rotation when their batteries run low and put themselves back once they are fully recharged. But these carts are primitive compared to the factory's KUKA robots. The KUKA robots are trained to do up to 5 tasks. They rivet, weld, glue, and move pieces from one part of the line to another. They are incredibly smart. Hundreds of these robots perform complex and repetitive tasks with amazing accuracy and without ever getting bored. But the real heavyweights of the factory are the Fanuc M2000IAs. This robot is so strong, it's capable of doing 4 times the amount of work a conventional robot does. It can lift an incredible 1.2 tons in weight. That's the same weight as a walrus. It is used on the Tesla assembly line, but its big brother, the Fanuc M2000IA, which is also used at the factory, can lift an astounding 2.3 tons, the same weight as a rhino. And it can lift 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It has 6 axes, allowing it to move with unbelievable accuracy. It's an incredible feat of robotic engineering. 12 of these heavyweights work at the Tesla factory. They are named after Marvel characters such as Wolverine and Iceman. They lift up to 7,000 cars a week without breaking a sweat. The Tesla factory is trying to get as many electric cars on the roads as possible, but manufacturing them quickly, efficiently, and economically means overcoming engineering obstacles. Traditionally, most motor cars have been produced from steel, but the Tesla factory uses lightweight and durable aluminum to make their motors. Huge 7-story stamping presses forge sheets of aluminum into all manner of car body parts. The press is capable of exerting 8,000 tons of pressure per square inch, the equivalent of having 8,000 tons on just your thumbnail. These fresh-made panels then go to be painted. Tesla, like many other industrial factories, uses electrostatic painting, but to an amazing level. In their state-of-the-art paint shop, each car is attached to an electricity source and grounded. Positively charged paint is then sprayed and electrostatically attracted to the car. This prevents huge wastes of paint and gives a completely flawless finish. Everything about the 500,000 square meter Tesla factory is designed for speed, accuracy, and efficiency. But it must also turn out a car that the public will actually want. At the heart of the design is a powerful electric motor, and it couldn't be more different from the traditional internal combustion engine. Compared to a gasoline engine, which has hundreds of moving parts, the Model S and Model X motor only has one moving piece: the rotor. Powering it are nearly 7,000 small lithium-ion batteries. It takes just 30 minutes to charge a Model S or X, and they can drive a range of 250 miles with a full battery. To produce them, Tesla is doing something incredible, creating another factory, the size of which has never been seen before. Once complete, it will be the largest factory in the world by footprint and will be powered entirely by renewable energy. Named the Gigafactory, it will hold the key to mass-produced electric cars on an unprecedented level. Tesla is a true factory of the future. It's hard to believe that these coils of aluminum end up manipulated and changed into these cars that are racing around the test track in just 3 days. Do you think that one day soon all the cars on the roads could be electric? What is next for the world of motor engineering? Let us know in the comments section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.